My name is Yolanda Russo, beauty coach and creator of Beauty on Command. The system is designed to erase wrinkles, tighten the muscles, firm the skin naturally, and healthier on command. That means whenever you want to, wherever you want to.
Beauty on Command I have used primarily morning and night in my own bedroom. It's very convenient, it's very easy. I can do it while I'm watching television.
It lifts your face up, your muscles are able to do the same thing that you do when you go to the gym and you work out and, tone. Then I thought, let me try that. I'm always afraid of doing anything that has to do with surgery. I will never let anybody cut myself, but I have these deep wrinkles that were scaring me, and she did one of the treatments and it made me feel so much better. And I went home and my husband says, what did you do? And I said, oh, this is working.
It makes you feel less tired, more youthful, more secure in the way you present to others. I'm actually a nurse in a high school, so I'm around a lot of young people every day, and it's nice just to feel like you look a little bit better and a little bit younger when you're presenting yourself.